Hey gardeners! Ever wanted to grow your own avocado plant from a simple seed? Well, today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to turn an avocado pit into a beautiful plant. It's super easy, fun, and all you need are some household items. Let's get started. First, let's carefully remove the pit from an avocado without damaging it. You'll want to rinse it gently under water to remove any fruit residue. Here's a key tip. Find the top and bottom of the seed. The slightly pointy end is the top, which will face up, while the flatter end is the bottom, where the roots will emerge. It's important to know this so we can position it correctly for sprouting. Now let's carefully poke 3 to 4 toothpicks around the middle of the seed at a slight downward angle. These will hold the seed in place when we suspend it over water. Make sure not to push the toothpicks too far in. Step 4. Place the seed in water. Next, fill a glass with enough water so that the bottom half of the seed is submerged. Place the seed on top, making sure it's secure and half submerged. Now, put this somewhere warm and sunny, like a windowsill. Step 5. Change the water regularly. Change the water every 5 to 7 days to keep it fresh and prevent any mold from forming. Within about 2 to 6 weeks, you should see the seed begin to split, with a tiny root poking through the bottom. Step 6. Transfer to soil, when the plant is 6 inches tall. Once your seedling is around 6 inches tall, it's time to move it into soil. Gently remove the toothpicks and place the seed into a pot with well-draining soil. Make sure about half the seed is still above the soil. Step 7. Caring for your avocado plant. Now, let's talk about care. Keep your plant in indirect sunlight and water it regularly. Avocado plants prefer moist soil, so try not to let it dry out. You'll also want to prune the plant when it reaches about 12 inches to encourage bushier growth. Bonus tips. Here are some quick bonus tips. Avocado plants love humidity, so misting the leaves occasionally can really help. Also, if you live in a warm climate, you can consider planting your avocado outdoors once it's big enough. Just remember, it may take several years before it bears fruit. Outro host on camera, and there you have it. Growing an avocado plant from a seed is a rewarding process, and it's such a great way to add greenery to your home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Have you tried growing an avocado plant? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy planting.